Welcome to the exciting realm of online income.
With countless avenues available, the sheer volume can be overwhelming. If you've ever felt lost amidst the noise of outmoded advice and dubious methods, fret not. In this guide, we are unveiling three authentic and actionable strategies that can transform anyone's financial landscape in 2025, even from the comfort of your home. Freelancing stands as the first beacon of opportunity in the digital space. Individuals possess an array of skills that can be monetized, whether it's writing compelling content, designing stunning logos, or managing social media accounts. The platforms of Fiverr and Upwork serve as your launchpad, offering a plethora of potential clients eager for your expertise. The beauty lies in its accessibility. There are no academic prerequisites. A singular focus on honing one skill, coupled with daily practice, can swiftly turn aspirations into tangible projects. Picture yourself receiving your first order within weeks, elevating both confidence and income as you refine your craft. Next, let's delve into the world of affiliate marketing, a method where passion intersects with income. By sharing products and services you genuinely admire, you can earn commissions as your audience engages with your recommendations. This can be executed through various channels, whether on YouTube, Instagram, or through a well curated blog. The secret lies in building trust and consistency. As your following grows, so too can your passive income streams. Imagine waking up to notifications of sales made while you slept, making affiliate marketing a blissful addition to your financial toolkit. Finally, embrace the era of technology with AI tools and automation, the third revolutionary method at your disposal. 2025 is witnessing an AI renaissance, offering tools like ChatGPT and Canva AI that can supercharge your content creation. You don't need coding expertise, only a strategic mindset and willingness to experiment. By automating certain tasks or creating innovative solutions for clients using these tools, you unlock unparalleled efficiencies. Visualize setting up workflows that not only save time but scale your business potential tremendously. If you're ready to embark on this journey to financial freedom, subscribing to informative channels and actively learning is crucial. Let's not merely consume content. Let's apply insights and together foster a community committed to growth and success. With the right mindset and earnest effort, your online income can grow, paving the way for new possibilities.